What is Cursor AI and how can you use it? Cursor AI is an AI-powered code editor designed to assist developers in writing, debugging, and understanding code more efficiently. Built on top of modern large language models like GPT, Cursor AI combines the power of AI with the flexibility of a traditional IDE, integrated development environment, offering a smarter, more productive way to code. What makes Cursor AI special? Unlike other AI tools that simply generate snippets of code, Cursor AI is deeply integrated into the coding workflow. It understands your entire codebase, offers context-aware suggestions, and allows you to chat directly with the AI assistant within your project files. This makes it more than just a code completion tool. Cursor acts as a coding partner. Key features of Cursor AI: code autocomplete and suggestions. Cursor provides intelligent, context-aware autocomplete options that go beyond simple keyword matching. It understands the logic of your code and offers helpful suggestions that fit naturally. AI chat for codebase. With the built-in chat interface, you can ask questions like "What does this function do?" or "Refactor this code to be more efficient." Cursor AI can respond with detailed explanations or directly edit the code for you. Refactoring and debugging. You can highlight blocks of code and ask the AI to refactor, optimize, or fix bugs. This saves time and improves code quality. Natural language commands. You can use natural language to instruct the AI. For example, create a function that fetches user data from an API and stores it in a database, and Cursor will generate the code accordingly. Integration with Git. Cursor AI can help you write commit messages, understand code diffs, and even suggest changes during code reviews. How to use Cursor AI. Download and install Cursor. Cursor is available as a standalone application and can be downloaded from https://www.cursor.so. It's compatible with Mac, Windows, and Linux. Open your project. Open your existing code project or start a new one. Cursor supports most programming languages including Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, and more. Use the AI assistant. Highlight any piece of code or open the chat pane to start interacting with the AI. Ask it questions, request explanations, or generate new code all within your editor. Customize AI behavior. You can tailor how the AI interacts with your code. Adjust model settings, choose tone, formal, simple, technical, and control what parts of the project it can access. Who can benefit from Cursor AI? Beginners looking for learning support and code explanations. Professional developers aiming to save time and reduce repetitive tasks. Teams that want to improve collaboration and code review processes with AI assistance. In summary, Cursor AI is revolutionizing the way developers write and interact with code. It acts like a supercharged coding assistant, helping you write better code faster and with fewer errors. Whether you're a solo developer or part of a large team, Cursor AI can significantly boost your productivity.